Imagine you're holding a cup. If I keep pouring water into it, eventually it doesn't matter how fast I pour, the cup can't hold any more. It just spills over and makes a mess. Your brain is that cup. Modern life is the water. We've been told that to be successful, we need a bigger cup or a faster pour. But today, we're going to talk about a different strategy: slow productivity. This isn't about being lazy, it's about biological alignment. We're going to look at why your brain is actually designed to work slowly and how great thinkers, from the Roman philosopher Seneca to modern neuroscientists, all agree that the secret to high performance isn't speed, it's space. The neuroscience, the traffic jam in your head. To understand why hurrying makes you fail, we need to look at two parts of your brain: the prefrontal cortex, your internal boss, and the amygdala, your internal alarm. Think of your prefrontal cortex like a high-end chef. It's responsible for your best ideas and smartest decisions. But this chef can only cook one complex meal at a time. When you rush, when you check your phone every 5 minutes while trying to work, you trigger the amygdala. Your brain thinks there's an emergency. It floods your system with cortisol, the stress hormone. When cortisol levels are high, your chef, the prefrontal cortex, gets kicked out of the kitchen. Your brain goes into survival mode. You can still do simple tasks like answering emails, but you lose the ability to do deep work. This is why you can be busy all day but feel like you haven't actually accomplished anything. You're just a chef trying to cook in a burning kitchen. Seneca and the gift of focus. This isn't a new problem. 2,000 years ago, Seneca noticed that people were busy doing nothing. He called them the preoccupied. Seneca's big idea was simple: life is long enough if you know where to put your attention. He argued that we are stingy with our money, but we let anyone steal our time. Every time you say yes to a meeting you don't need or a distraction you didn't ask for, you are giving away a piece of your life that you can never get back. The philosophy of slow productivity asks, if I could only do one thing today that actually mattered, what would it be? This is called the power of the essential. By choosing to do fewer things, you give your brain the permission to do those few things with total excellence. 3 steps to slow down. So how do we actually do this? How do we stop the traffic jam and let the chef back into the kitchen? Step 1. Protect the first hour. When you wake up, your brain is in a state of creative flow. If the first thing you do is check social media, you are letting the salience network, your distraction filter, take over. Instead, give yourself 60 minutes of input-free time. No news, no emails, just your thoughts. Step 2. The 90-minute sprint. Neuroscience shows that our brains work in ultradian rhythms. We can focus intensely for about 90 minutes before we need a break. Work for 90 minutes and then, and this is the hard part, do nothing for 15 minutes. Not check your phone nothing, I mean stare at a tree or walk to get water. This allows the attention residue to clear out, so your next 90 minutes are just as productive as the first. Step 3. Obsess over quality. Slow productivity means you stop counting hours worked and start counting value created. As the modern theorist Cal Newport says, work at a natural pace. If a project takes 3 weeks to be great, don't try to finish it in 1 week just to feel busy. The world remembers the quality of the work, not how fast you typed it. In a world that is shouting at you to go faster, choosing to go slow is a superpower. It's a rebellion against the hustle. It's a return to your biological roots. As Seneca reminded us, a man who is everywhere is nowhere. So stop trying to be everywhere. Be right here. Do one thing. Do it well. And then give yourself the grace to stop. Because you aren't a machine built for output. You're a human being built for meaning.